In this video, we are going to be installing and reviewing 3 different parts from DND Performance Interior. And I gotta say, Drip and Drift, DND, I think we'd be a pretty good match together. So we have the Alcantara race wheel, we have the quick release spline, and we have the Cruise Control Relocation kit.
Drip and Drift.
You clicked on this video just for the install and review. Skip ahead a little bit. Being that it's the first recording of the new year, I want to talk a little bit about last year and what's to come this year. 2023 was pretty wild. A lot of growth, a lot of new things, a lot of fun. We started the year off with 2 goals. One, to drive more tracks in Florida, being we were going to drive OSW, Sebring, and Showtime, and we only got to drive OSW and Sebring. And our second goal was to get more comfy and better at tandems, which I think we did. I think our goals were accomplished. Even though we didn't get to drive that 3rd track, we still got to drive another track than our home track. We started a podcast in 2023. We learned and had a rap and Rap the Z. Had a blast, met so many new people. We started a website, dripanddrift.com, get some stuff over there. Yeah, a lot of growth. And for this coming up year, I really want to focus on getting a roll cage for the Z and possibly a trailer as well. I see us doing one of them for sure and possibly the other one, but I still want to focus on getting better at my tandems, getting closer, and having a good time with everyone that we encounter, right? So enough jabber jabber. Let's get into this video. This install for us is going to be a lot easier because we already have an NRG hub. If you do not have a DND hub or NRG hub, it's going to be a little harder. You're going to need to replace that as well. But that was already replaced when I got the car, so it should be a lot easier for us. Added one more washer in just because it screws into plastic. There's a little gap. I don't want to tighten too much, so we threw another one in, but now it's good and tight. Next up is our spline, which we are going to sandwich the cruise control adapter plate right in between the two. The thing I don't like about this spline, which the NRG one, you can use the horn. This one, we have no horn. Although we never really had a horn, we always had to take this wire, touch it to bare metal, and that was our horn. So it's really about the same for us right now. Step installing the wheel, but so far, that's what it's gonna look like. First time driving on the street with it. It feels nice. It's different though, because it's a lot, the spline makes it a lot closer to you. So it's harder to steer with the knee when we're street driving, but that's all right, that's all right. I think it will be better drifting because my arms aren't as extended. What's really funny is my signal is now further away as well, of course, but that I am just not used to. I was like, where is it? Where is it? And I had to reach a lot further to grab it, but you know, you have about that much more space than what I was used to. But having that controller there, oh, feels so nice. It hasn't hit my fingers up here like it used to. It's so far away. Even if I'm down here, I have so much room. Very nice, very nice. I've heard horror stories with suede peeling off, especially if you're using it with your hands, your bare hands. So that's why I originally wanted leather, but I hear the Alcantara, it lasts a lot longer and is easier than the suede to deal with. So we shall see. We shall see.
But the steering wheel's feeling great. It's like actual grip. It was sticky. Sorry, Ryan wants me to pass. That was good. But like I was saying, it was sticky with that wood wheel, but now with this Alcantara wheel, it's like with the suede on the gloves, it's real drippy, real nice.